Welcome to our version of the 2-minute drill of our Metal Market Update newsletter. My name is John Ward, coming to you from Charlotte, North Carolina. Let's take a look at what's happening in our industry today. Manufacturing activity expanded in June for the 6th straight month, according to the latest ISM Manufacturing PMI report. The manufacturing PMI registered 53.3%, down slightly from 54% in May, but still signaling continued expansion. The overall GDP economy continued expanding for the 20th month in a row. Consumer confidence moved slightly higher in June. The Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index rose to 91.2, up from a revised 90.6 in May. Inflation moved lower. The Consumer Price Index came in at 3.5% in June, down from 4.2% in May. Over in the energy markets, WTI crude oil traded near $71 per barrel as renewed tensions between the U.S. and Iran raised more concerns about shipping through the Strait of Hormuz. The U.S. oil rig count now sits at 580, up 17 from last month and up 41 from a year ago. Production remains near record levels as operators continue to focus on efficiency. Now let's talk about tariffs. The tariff landscape is shifting away from Section 122 and toward proposed Section 301 tariffs on imports from over 60 different economies. The proposed rates range from 10 to 12.5%, although final rates have not yet been announced. Section 232 tariffs on steel, aluminum, and copper remain fully in effect, with raw material inputs still facing rates as high as 50%. For imported pressure vessels and heat exchangers, the final tariff treatment remains a gray area, while aluminum heat exchangers are subject to a 25% tariff on the full value of the unit. At Ward, we purchase 80 to 90% of our materials domestically, depending on the project. Our total material spend has increased approximately 10 to 20% since Section 232 tariffs were enacted, resulting in a 5 to 15% overall unit price increase after labor. On the materials side, nickel traded near $7.42 per pound as expectations of higher Indonesian production added pressure to the market. Plate lead times remain elevated, with stainless and duplex at 12 to 13 weeks and carbon steel at 13 to 17 weeks. As always, our focus remains the same, delivering high-quality equipment on time while navigating these changing market conditions. Make sure to visit wardvesselexchanger.com to read our full monthly Metal Market Update newsletter. Now take a deep breath, we've got this, and I hope you have a good one.